BJ's not very happy right now. What do you say, babe? That's what he says. His teeth.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas day 5 already, so I'm trying to keep on top of it all, guys. But Vlogmas day 5. We are currently in Priory, on the way to Brownstown to go and collect our TV that we dropped off like quite a while ago. It's ready for us to get, so we're going to Brownstown and we're in Priory now. Outlaw stopped at the pudding shop quickly to go and get me some saltfish fritters. You know, guys, I think you know this pudding shop by now. If I'm not eating a patty on the road, you know I'm stopping at the pudding shop in Priory to get my saltfish fritters. And then we're going to St Anne's Bay. We usually do our wholesale shopping in St Anne's Bay in a shop called Sampa's. I think that they're island wide, right? Sampa's. So we're going to Sampa's to do to go to wholesale and some other little bits. So of course it's Vlogmas, we're taking you with us today. Let me just show you pudding shop again. I know you guys. So yes guys, the famous pudding shop that we stop at all the time, but I don't always stop to buy the pudding, even though the pudding is good. But yeah, Outlaw's in there to go and get me my two saltfish fritters, start me off for the day. It's now 10, oh there he is, 10:20. Little saltfish fritters. Yeah, thank you. Hello, say good morning.
Hello, I'm prayers. Give thanks for life, my peeps.
So you got
no thing go. If we're going on the street, we gotta get something to grab.
Yeah, you got me fritters. What did you get yourself?
Something,
You
yeah.
usually get bammy.
I got it too. Always. I get a one bammy.
He always gets bammy.
Yes, and I pick up.
And the pressed plantain?
Yes.
Bammy and pressed plantain?
Yes, and we get one fritter for yourself and two for you.
Okay.
And there we go.
Alright, so we're good to go. This guy, hot. It's hot, but it's nice. Saltfish fritters. Outlaw makes good saltfish fritters actually. I must make him make some when we stop buying them because he makes good ones. Yeah, he does. Definitely. We're in St Anne's Bay now. St Anne's Bay Hospital to the right, town centre to the left. Just picked up the TV in the back there. So we just come from Brownstown. And we're in St Anne's Bay.
St Anne's Bay now. Stop and make a few stops in St Anne's Bay.
Yeah. Guys, if we get time, we're going to show you this place called Napa Heights, where it's really nice. You buy your lot, you build your own house on the lot, but it's a beautiful sea view. So yeah, we're in St Anne's Bay. This little I think we featured this store before. They do lots of appliances and stuff with decent price. Yeah, they didn't have any dining tables when we came to look though. Nothing decent anyway. Gonna make a quick stop in Courts in St Anne's Bay and then Sampa's Wholesale supermarket.
Yeah.
So this is St Anne's Bay. What is that? What's that? The parish council?
No, that is the courthouse.
Courthouse. I mean, sorry, the courthouse.
Courthouse.
The courthouse.
In Jamaica, flag around it, color around it.
Yeah.
Courthouse. So that is courthouse, and right there is court.
Okay, yeah. So we're not going to the courthouse. We're going to Courts.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a TV stand that they had in there a few months ago that I want to see if they've still got. Here we are, Courts. I'm going in there. Wrapping up. No, that wasn't the one. That wasn't the one. We haven't really got the space, though, have we?
You can put the TV back there.
You think?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? This nice thing you find what you want to put on it. That look nice to me.
Okay.
Must not look like that. Look back.
Outlaw style, not really my stuff. What's the first one there then?
What?
The front part. Is it the same thing here in black?
Same thing. Two sides.
How much is it?
Right, this side right.
How much is it?
I don't know price, no? Gift chain.
No, that's what it's called.
Okay.
People, what do you think? No, I don't mind. It's not really my style, but I don't mind. Outlaw likes it. Just trying to see what the price is. I want to see around the other side.
That thing selling? Yes. How much is that, baby?
Outlaw, they're getting some little onions and bits and pieces. Guys, you would have just seen Outlaw picking up some onions and tomato and stuff like that. And you know, say that, let me turn this down. We're still in St. Anne's Bay, right? You know, say that the Outlaw just walked away from it. Tell them why now. Because I want you to explain. What happened?
Yeah, because they pick up 1 pound or something.
Yeah. 1 pound of onion.
They pick up half pound of onion
Yeah.
and half pound of tomato.
Yeah.
So we have some already, we try.
Yeah.
So me want 1 pound. Me took up half pound of tomato, put on the scale, it weigh half pound. Me took up the rest, make it stay on the scale. Me took up half pound more of onion and put it in there. Everything, the tomato and the onion come to 1 pound.
Yeah, and you put it in the scale.
Me put it on myself.
Yeah.
When the scale was at a spot, we turn, he said, become the scale still. So you take it to my put it on store flat.
Yeah.
I'm still see the same 1 pound.
Yeah.
So I said, not 1 pound, brother. He said, more than 1 pound that. So I leave it alone. Right in front of my eye, he might tell me, say, I'm more than 1 pound and 1 pound, me say.
Yeah.
I do that.
So, but you also said there was a lady in front of us.
Yeah, the lady want a melon.
She bought a whole melon.
All a melon.
Yeah.
I ask the lady to wait.
Yeah, and they're telling her it's more than what you weigh.
And the lady tell her, say, it weigh 11 pound and it's 10 and 3/4 pound.
So you said that they're overcharging.
That them do, so we can't work with them.
Okay, so you know what you did, people? You just put down everything and walked away. Typical Outlaw. So we might have to get something else. We have to figure out stuff.
A lot around the place, man.
Yeah.
You can't find somebody to do it better than that.
Yeah. But we're gonna go into Sampa's now.
Yes. Pick up a few things.
Pick up a few things.
Yeah.
So Sampa's is like a wholesale supermarket. We'll come here once a month and we just pick up like meat kind, chicken, saltfish, and a few little bits that we just can last us for the month. It just works. I think it's more cost effective that way as well, rather than every day or every week you have to pick up stuff. So we do it when we can. It's not always we can do it, but when we can do it, we do it. So this is Sampa's. Yeah. So this is it.
Let me see if some parts of there.
Yeah. Sampa's St. Anne's Bay. We don't need a lot of things.
No.
Because it's just the two of us.
Just the meat kind and whatever.
Yeah.
I'll get the fish and go off the shaft, eh?
Yeah, yeah, if I got enough. What's this one saying? 315.
Dry map, it's long.
Dry them up there. Chicken parts, £6. 1,948. £6 of the chicken parts. Let's wait for the toothbrush now. So we got £6 of mixed chicken parts. £1 of saltfish. 1 dozen tissue. Didn't get a lot of people. 8 tang. And what's that? 8 tang and about 6 seasonings, maybe a little bit more. 1 mop head and just 1 pack of soap powder. That's it really. The rest of the stuff we've got at home, the rest of the stuff we get from the local store. That was just over $5,000, $5,600. Yeah. Like I said, we didn't get much in Sampa's, but it's just 2 of us, and what we bought will last us for the month. Coming up to Christmas time, we'll get a few extra things nice for Christmas and all of those things.
Yeah.
How much put you want?
£4 each.
I need to have that. Half a pound.
£1 each. £1 each.
Also sweet pepper. How much is sweet pepper?
What is the pepper?
300 that phone.
Yeah, £1.
And hot pepper? Half a dozen hot pepper also. And half a dozen hot pepper, please.
Hot pepper?
Yeah, half a dozen.
So. Hold on, brother. Give me a minute there.
How much?
375.
375.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I 125. All right, man. Cool. No rest.
You're fine, you
Oh, you're fine. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Too.
Alright.
Brother, man.
Yeah. Alright, so quickly grab what we needed.
Yeah, grab some tomato while I got some onion.
Tomato?
Grab and go.
Yes. We grabbed
Okay, look at that.
onion, all tied together. Onion, tomato. We had some at home, so we just needed a little bit. Sweet pepper's gone down a little bit now. It's £300. $300 a pound, rather than the $500 a pound the other day.
You can't buy too much because it's too away.
Yeah.
I don't want it to spoil.
Half a dozen hot pepper. This is a must, so I need this stuff. Yeah, not to make the food hot, but just to give it a nice, flavour.
I look for that blend out of them.
Yeah, I got everything else at home. Thyme, scallion, everything else I got at home. So yes, leaving out of Senna's Bay now. The thing with Senna's Bay is that a lot of the roads are one-way roads. So to come out, you have to drive round and round and round to get out. So we've just come from Sampass, and we're coming all the. You remember this? We're coming all the way back round, past Courts again. But guys, we're going to stop around Nappa Heights. I want to show you guys Nappa Heights. Like I said earlier, it's a new what do you call it now? It's like development, because they don't build the houses. You buy your lot. You buy your lot in this development called Nappa Heights, but the views, beautiful sea views, and it's right next to Hills of Jacksall? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
The Hills of Jacksall. We featured that a long time ago.
Yeah,
Right, yeah, neighbours. We featured that a long time. So Nappa Heights is straight up this road. You've got Village Green, gated community there to the right. I've never been over there, but apparently you've been over there, right?
Yeah.
So it's quite nice over there. And then I think is there some kind of factory over here or something?
No, it's an outlet. They get every type of meat, they import. Every type of top meat they import in our country.
Oh right, okay.
Import liquor and meat.
Liquor and
that's
meat.
Import in
Imported,
Jamaica.
yeah, yes.
Either for else you get it.
Okay.
Everything we import, not meat and liquor.
Right.
You can get to right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So straight ahead it is Nappa Heights. You can see.
Anything, man.
Oh, they started. Okay.
Yeah.
We were here like a couple of months ago.
Yeah, man, they started them things. They started build up walls and all these things.
Yeah, they've
It's a lane foundation around here too. So still going up there.
That wasn't there the last time we came. We were here a few months ago, a couple months ago. But I just want to show you guys the views. Look at this. How nice. Yeah, the view. I can. Is that the view over there? So yeah, you can see all of Jacksall Manor and Jacksall Estate over there. But look at the view. Nice sea view. The view, yeah, that white building is view. Yeah. So doing work up here. All this will be fixed, the roads and everything. But I think a lot of the lots have sold actually.
Yeah, a lot of them.
The last time we checked, a couple of months ago we checked, there were a couple of lots left for sale, a few lots left for sale.
So I drop them off on the road there?
Yeah, so they're getting ready to do the road there.
What about the fish? Oh, the rest, that's it. So much string of fish? Do you know about that? Mr. That. Mr. That.
They're not done good then, is it? So guys, we just came home, got the TV back. You would have seen us earlier. Went to Brown's Happy, got the TV. Come home, put the TV on, and guess what guys? Still not working. It's just jumping every minute. The screen is just flashing, so it's still not working. So I don't know when, but we've just spoken to the guy who fixed it. Well, he was supposed to fix it, and we're gonna have to bring it back to Brownstown at some point. You know, Brownstown's not down the road from us. It's a good way. Oh god, it's like an hour and a half drive away. So after all that, TV's not working. So I don't know. I guess back to Brownstown at some point. I don't even know when. He's not very happy right now. What do you say, babe? That's what he says. His teeth. So it's just, see, it's just flashing. That's what happens. Yeah. So it's not working. He ain't happy.
Yeah, my people, that's something I will talk about from today. In the streets and come home. Right, so we're finishing them. Yeah, a piece of yam out there, so a slice of potato, sweet potato, and a piece of soft yam, sweet yam. Cook up some saltfish and all these things. That's something there, we finish that. And these are, what I say, man?
What do you say? Yam?
Sweet potato.
What kind of, you say sweet yam?
Sweet yam, yellow yam.
Yeah.
Two different yam beeps. Sweet yam, white yam, yellow yam. You all know that's something there.
And sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Cook up saltfish.
Cook up some saltfish. Done. Alright, that's everything now.
Guys, you know I need my ketchup.
That's something. I don't know where to shake that from. It's a new thing to our thing, but we not drop it out. I fear I think that. Yeah. Everything gone natural in the people. Alright, it's everything there. So we say manners and prayers. Long life and happy living. Remember to subscribe, share, like. Look up inside the ads. Give thanks to that. That being said.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.